Alright, what is going on, everybody? Today, well, it's still 12:20, so it's still like midday of like the trading day, but I really want to get like my thoughts out right now for for the day and stuff. Um, I'm down 212, but let me tell you guys what happened. So this morning, my account was up by it was up like $200 like out of nowhere for some reason. I did a withdrawal of my account yesterday. I took out like $220, and then out of nowhere, like there was $220 added to my account. So it's weird because in total, like right now, I'm really down $50. Well, not like I'm actually down those $200, but I don't know where that money came from. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, don't know where that money came from. But yeah, I took one trade with Amazon and it kind of got me a little bit comfortable. But what I should have done, I should have just since like my with my first trade and those $200 that was magically put into my account, I checked my Chase account, and my Chase account, like the money that I withdrew was there. So like there was literally like $220 added to my account for no reason. If I would have just took that 220 plus this dub that I took in the morning with QCOM, that literally would have been a perfect day. I was literally up like $300. I could have withdrew $300, and that would have been a perfect day in the market. But no, I decided to trade for the day, which was a bad idea. Um, and not to the fact that it was bad to trade, but what I did was like, I don't know. Today was a really weird day for me. I haven't had a day like this in a minute. I felt like a lot of I felt like I had a like you know pressure like get into trades that I didn't really need to get into. You know what I'm saying? Now we could talk about QCOM in the morning. Talk about QCOM. So QCOM, it started ripping in the open. Somebody called it out, or there was a bunch of call volume on it in the morning. I got in at 77 cents. The highest I sold was 120. You know, I was averaging out little by little. I have been trying to implement these stop losses, but instead of like these actual stop losses, like trail stops, so I could like get the most profit on them. But since this was a really early morning play, like I just decided to to scale out little by little, and that was a really good trade. I only took 5 contracts there because like I said, I was up a good amount for the day already. Now things went left when I went for UAL, and I went against my plan. I try to go with this UAL momentum for the day. There was no news on it or nothing. It was just supposed to bounce like on this huge support level right here, and I was just expecting like a run up to like this level right here again, the 50/50 level. AAL gapped up as well overnight, so like the sector was kind of looking good for the day, but as you can see, UAL is really choppy. It's really bad, and you know, I took a $50 up for no reason. I shouldn't have even been in this trade. I was already up like 280 for the day. $80 from trading, and then $200 like literally randomly into my TD account. It was so weird. So yeah, that's that, bro. I was really mad at that, bro. I was really mad at that, and at oh no wait, at this trade, I felt like something changed throughout the day. Like it wasn't gonna be good because this is a type of trade that I should not be taking at all. I should be following news plays slash Momo plays, and this had some Momo, a little bit of Momo, but not to the fact that I could just look at the call logs and there will be a lot of calls or like people talking about it like a lot. And yeah, I took a $50 out right there. I wanted to see what did I do? All right, this is another trade that was really bad on my part. Really bad on my part. I don't know what happened today. I literally didn't follow any of my rules and I got burned. Now this is what happened. So C started dumping crazy. There was a bunch of other banks that were dumping as well. I tried to get in. I literally, what I did was I tried to get in at this candle, which was a bad idea because obviously it's gonna hold support right here on the pre-market, and even if it doesn't hold support, it'll break and then come back. It'll break and then retest the level like it did right here, break down a little bit more, and then you'll see like if there's a lot of selling power, but it's always gonna come back. It's always gonna touch this support level, especially since it was doing it in the pre-market. Like in the pre-market, I didn't even think it broke that level. I just I just saw like all the dumpage happening, and then all the there was no puts in it as well. Like not as much as like I would see like in a Momo play, like something crazy happening. It was just like regular puts happening. Although it was huge candles, but there were people calling it out, so I want to go check it out. I caught the literal bottom of that put trade right there, and I should have waited for confirmation like I always do. And I don't know why I took 10 contracts, bro. Like today I was taking 10 contracts. I was being really non-risk averse, as you can say. Like since I was up at $300, I was like, oh, I have a lot of room to trade with, which is really bad because I should have protected those $300 instead of trying to, like trying to go crazy, trying to go for like a $500 $600 day, which is not okay. And my last trade, no, my worst trade, WFC. This was another one. Now this is a trade that I will take regularly because there was a lot of calls being bought up right here around this level right here, and I wasn't really paying attention to it because I don't know, because WFC usually has like a lot of a lot of calls like throughout the day, and it don't really move that much. So then I wasn't really paying attention to it as much. Now I came back to the screen and I saw it moving. I literally bought at a HOD and then I sold at LOD. I bought at I'll tell you guys right now. I bought at 79 and then it started dumping on me to 63 right here at this level. And then I bought back in, which, bro, every single time I ever try to buy back into a contract that I'm down in, this always happens. I don't know why I bought back in a position like this. It was clearly overextended. But either way, I bought back in at 99, and then thank God I took a small L for $60 right there. So this L was crazy for literally no reason at all. And I should have just waited for the next trade because obviously this ripped and all that. I don't have to take the contracts at high, bro. Literally, I'm the one that's supposed to be selling the contracts at high to everyone else. I'm the one that always catches it on the low. And see, that was a huge mistake right there. So alright, let's see. So one UAO. My first mistake. I shouldn't even have to take this trade. I didn't even have to take this trade. I don't know why I took it. Five contracts wasn't gonna change my day crazy. I don't know why I took it, but the premium just dumped on me like it did yesterday, and you know what I'm saying, like it was a GG. I don't know why. I don't even know why I took this trade. My second trade, C. I didn't watch the pre-market levels, and I didn't wait for the retest of this support right here. Although it broke, it was obviously gonna come back and test that support, and it held for a little bit, and it's holding the 9 EMA, and then finally it kind of broke down right here, and like it's staying next to this level. It's like a really important level, as you can see in the pre-market hours. It just started gapping up from here, so there's probably a lot of buyers at this level right here. I should have seen that coming, and I should have seen like I basically missed I basically missed the whole move. I missed the whole momentum move right here. Should have never got in. WFC, I also missed the move. I should have, instead of ignoring it, I should have been paying more attention and got in way earlier. I definitely, bro, I'm telling you, I definitely would have made money on WFC. I definitely would have made money on WFC. Let me see the 43. And now I'm just sitting here frustrated because this is the type of play that I feed off of every single day. Like, this is the type of play that I can go crazy, that I'll be going crazy over every single day, and I know how to play these plays. It's just that I was late. I was late. I literally bought at the top. I literally bought at the top trying to chase this cheap ass premium, which I don't even know why. Well, I like having the 15-minute here now, but also I like having these contracts here as well, cause I can see what's actually going on with these. Because maybe if I had this up, I probably could have seen they were overextended. But either way, they were overextended because this move was crazy. I would have caught this at a low, bro. They were. Hold on, I'll show you guys right now. Give me a second. I'll show you the prices that I would have got in at. See WFC. Let's see. So I got in at WFC at 11:56, right? 11:56. All right. I was seeing the 43s being hit at 11:54, and this is 11:56, so almost 3 minutes later. And 3 minutes is crazy. All right, so that's 43. The 43 calls at 44 cents. So let's see what the 43s were at. Let's see. So then if I would have bought in, let's say if they bought in at 54, I probably could have got filled in like at 55. Let's see. 55. All right, right here at this candle right here, right? That's 75 cents. The hod of that candle, 75 cents. A little wick out, and then it just gapped up crazy. And then right here is where I bought in. This is where I shouldn't. This candles was supposed to be my entry, but this is where I bought in, which is horrible. And I paid the price for that, and it got me really frustrated because these were the type of plays that I should have made crazy money in. That's at least 100% right there. Well, like a 70-60% right there. And that would have made my day completely, cause I would have had 10 contracts, 70 to like $1 something. That's bro, that's a crazy day. Instead, I'm ending up the day negative $50. I'm not gonna count the 200 that mysteriously landed into my account today. But I still gotta account, all these mistakes that I made today, bro. This is horrible. This should have never happened. Oh, and TOS as well. Maybe I got the 200 from this right here. Look, my commissions now were lowered from 45 to 40 because I hit them up the other day about it, and they lowered it 5 cents. I was trying to get it down to 35 cents. I'm gonna see if I can I'm gonna see if I can get the 5 cents off. But if not, I'm still kind of happy. 5 cents doesn't make a long way. It's like per 10 contracts is like a dollar off right here, because usually it'll be 4.50 to buy and sell, but now it's $4. And yeah, I'm kind of happy about that. But yeah, bro, today I did not follow my plan at all, and it's a GG, bro. I'm definitely gonna I'm definitely gonna keep watching the markets now, and you know, they're just a move going on here. I see that everything's kind of being pulled up now by JPal. JPal's pumping the market, I guess, because we were drilling for like the good half of the morning type, like around 11 to 12. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys had a great day today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna still be around, still be looking at the markets, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, bro. Peace out. I'm definitely gonna look over this video, because listen, mistakes are made, but these cannot be made again. No cap, they cannot be made again, because So GG. I gotta see you tomorrow. Peace out.